graph of y is equal to the square root of cos theta minus sin theta can be obtained from the graph of y is equal to cos theta. Describe the transformations. So if we note that cos theta plus alpha is equal to cos theta cos alpha minus sin theta sin alpha, because what we're going to do, we're going to rewrite y is equal to root 3 cos theta minus sin theta in the form of y is equal to r cos theta plus alpha, where alpha is between 0 and pi by 2. Okay, so we've got y is equal to root 3 cos theta minus sin theta. So root 3 must refer to the cos alpha, and the 1 must refer to the sin alpha. How r you get by doing root 3 squared plus minus 1 squared and then taking the square root, which gives you the square root of 3 plus 1, which is the square root of 4, which is 2. Drawing your triangle, making the angle alpha, so, and labelling up the sides, we've got adjacent, opposite, and hypotenuse. We already know the hypotenuse is 2, it's the same value as r. Now we want the adjacent to be cos alpha, so we're going to have to make that one root 3, because it goes cos theta cos alpha. I'm going to have to make this one 1, because it goes sin theta sin alpha. So alpha will be tan to the minus 1 of 1 over root 3, which in radian measure is pi by 6, or 30 degrees. So root 3 cos theta minus sin alpha, root 3 cos theta minus sin theta is going to be 2 times root 3 over 2 cos theta. Remember it was root 3, so we have to, if we multiply it by 2, we have to divide it by 2, minus 1/2 sin theta. We want this to be minus 1. When we take that 2 in there, it will become minus sin theta. Right, so this refers to cos alpha, so this is going to be cos pi by 6. So it's going to be 2 cos pi by 6 minus sin theta sin pi by 6. We want the half to be sine, which is in the format 2 cos theta plus pi by 6. So root 3 cos theta minus sin theta can be written as 2 cos theta plus pi by 6. Right, so the transforming y is equal to cos x to y is equal to 2 cos theta plus pi by 6. Well, this refers to a translation of minus pi by 6 at 0. Remember, this is plus here, then this would go in the opposite direction. And this here refers to a one-way stretch parallel to the y-axis. Now, we can look at this using a GeoGebra app. So here is my GeoGebra app. So let's first of all have a look at this. This is the graph of cos x. Okay, and we want to draw the graph of root 3 cos theta minus sin theta, and we know this is 2 cos theta plus pi by 6. So if we make r, we change the value of r to the same as the graph, we'll make it 1 to begin with. If we do the translation first, which is plus pi by 6, okay, that alpha will be pi 1/2 pi by 6. We can see that this here has been translated pi by 6. So this one moves back pi by 6, because if it's plus, we move this way. And then we want r to be 2, so we'll just increase that by up to 2. Let's see if we get it. Okay, and there we have our graph. Let's move it up slightly so we can see the bottom bit. Okay, so this is the graph of 2 cos theta 1/6 pi by 6. So the transformations are a translation minus pi by 6, 0, and a one-way stretch 2 units parallel to the y-axis. So you can see this has been moved up. Instead of being 1 here, it moves to 2 here. This distance becomes 2, and then in this direction it moves pi by 6. Okay, remember if it's plus here, it moves this direction. Okay, so this has been a video to show you how to do a transformation of a trig function by rewriting it in the form Rcos theta plus alpha. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching. Just before I go, the GeoGebra app I will put in the notes of the video. Thank you.